What is good, man? What is good, guys? Let me just pack this away while we're waiting here. Oh, shit. I'm just trying to put this tripod away here. Wow, so it's Sunday, fun day, and got quite a bit done actually this weekend. So pretty proud of the progress, pretty happy with it. Let me give you guys a gander. So first things first, I guess, since we're here, I got the ceiling framed in the bathroom. So man, this thing is gonna hold a water heater. So we're gonna plywood it, 3/4 ply. And yeah, it's super strong actually. 20 gauge, it's got 2 wafers in every stud. And hey, what's up, my man? Baljit, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. And I got 2 screws, 1.25" through the drywall into the studs in the back, and you know, all the way around, it's all screwed in. Whoa, shit. So that's good. It's a low ceiling, 8 foot, but whatever. I got the bathroom walls completed. I decided I'm going to do the ceilings with furring bar and angle. So yeah, I got to get some extra materials for that. But there's a ceiling in the hallway, and then there's a ceiling in each bathroom. But as you can see, yeah, man, I'm good too, man. I'm good. That's good to hear. I'm glad you're good. Tired now, man. But I gotta pack her up so I can go pick up the baker from Lamb's gonna let me as baker. So, hey, what's up for Joe's, man? Good to see you, bro. But yeah, looks good. It turned out pretty good. This track here, guys, I just built it on the ground, right? Built it on the ground, and I built it to overlap, and screwed it in, and yeah, it turned out really good, man. When I lasered it up, it was mint, just mint. So all the walls are really just mint, man. Got the channel in every 4 feet for the itch. And then yeah, like I was saying, I went 10 foot half inch. So when my board comes off the ground a half inch, it'll hit the top, right? However, in here, I'm going to be 9 foot sheets. So there'll be a 9 foot ceiling in here. I'm going to go, when I do my ceiling, I'm going to go 9 foot 1 inch, right? So a half inch for the half inch, the 9 foot sheet comes off the floor, and a half inch for the half inch of the ceiling board, right? So all I have to do is drywall the lid and then use a lifter, boop, and never have to cut my 9 foot sheets, right? I'll check all the way around, make sure that in high low side, you know what I mean? So I don't have any issues. I don't want to cut any sheets when it comes to this, right? That's the whole idea. It's like, when you have floating walls, same thing. You don't want to cut your studs, right? Only studs you cut are above your headers. The requirements for carrying channel is every 4 feet. Every 4 feet, you need to have carrying channel. And the minimum is, you see, this is why another reason why we double stud our doors for little pieces like this, okay? You can still channel, right? I got the channel in. You don't need the channel up here because as long as the distance between your header and the top track is less than 48, you won't need any channel in there. I did the channel in here. This is a heavy gauge wall. I put channel straight across here because I want extra strength. Okay, there's a steel door going here, and this is what separates the front from the back of the kitchen, the public to the employees. But yeah, no, big wheelchair bathroom turned out great. You can kind of see now my stud layouts for the corners, right? Outside, inside, okay. And then over here, same thing, okay? I'm gonna drywall this piece first, and then this piece, I'm just gonna run whoop, straight across into here. That's the 6-inch wall to the 3 5/8 transition. That's how, just lay it out, dudes, and think about your drywall, and that's easy peasy, all done there. It's gonna look mint, and it's shaped weird like this to get the wheelchair toilet and bars in here. That's why it's shaped like this. And this door is like an inch wider than that door. It's funny, almost every door in this place is a different size. So it's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. And then, yeah, you can see even the 6-inch I have overlapping to the 3 and 5 at the top here and over there, you know. And my floaters are all not screwed in, right? Even when I do my ceiling, for example, when I do my ceilings, boop, 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 boom, I don't screw in my floaters. I let them float, right? Like this is my floater, right? It's not screwed in. That's so I can slip my drywall in, lock it all in, right? And I got a cut on the bottom so it slides in. This is another floater here, right? And that's it. Those 2 floaters there. I don't screw them in, right? But you can see I screw in my corners, right? And top and bottom. Okay, top and bottom. But yeah, so yeah, that's the requirement for carrying channel is every 4 feet to hold your insulation in. So, for example, if your wall, yeah, you do put braces to walls that don't attach to the roof. So this here, I'm gonna end up having I'm gonna have some sort of braces for the ceiling, okay? But there's ceiling to ceiling, so these walls don't need braces. These ones do not need braces because there'll be a ceiling coming off the back wall. It'll be all tied in all the way along there and along the back, right? And it's all tied in, so we will not need braces on these walls, right? So but the ceiling though, I will have braces for so that it doesn't sink. You know, I'm gonna have to get some wire and hang it. Or do some sort of braces, drop them before I do my ceiling, or get the pole and put the wire up or something, right? But yeah, and then I run, see, on the double studs on the ends of the wall, okay? The channel runs into that all the way, okay? You try to go as far as you can. I actually like to put screws in these. I missed this one, but you'll see where they join. I just kind of put a screw in it, right? You can see here. Hey, Will Cash, what's up, man? Where is it? Whatever. How you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Right on, boys. Right on. Which side was it on now? Oh, what the hell? Sorry, dude, I have to call you back. Yeah, right there. One screw. One screw, man. But yeah, that's how we do it, man. So like I saying, I got this drywalled and fire taped, and because I didn't want to close off access to myself, with the lift when I got these walls up, right? So, and yeah, bulkhead done, back wall's almost done. I still have the bulkhead to hang to build here, and we're gonna hang it with aircraft cable. So it's gonna kind of hang down here, and that's where the main dining room chandelier will be hanging from. And then, yeah, I'm gonna frame all the way up here, all the way across, make that nice and flat and beautiful. And then, yeah, this is all open. No ceiling in here, all open. It's gonna be painted black up there. There's you should see the millwork that's going in here, all paneling across there and the back and everything. It's gonna be quite the place. But looking good. Holy shit, when you stand back here, eh, man? It's like, holy fuck, there's a lot of work. There's a lot going on here. Yeah, right? Yeah, it was just one big open space. So yeah, hopefully, oh yeah, there's no welder. He fired the welder. So he's got to find another welder to come and do the curbs. We got these roof curbs. So man, the fact that I didn't get all this framing done is probably good for them. Because they can drop their vents, he can do his water lines now, and then I can put the ceiling in, and yeah, it'll be nice. But this lift though, look at this. I gotta get this lift out somehow. Oh my God. But yeah, guys, so that's the progress. So day 7 days, that's where I got. So I did all the framing and this drywall and the layout and all that. So 7 days in, that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. So yeah, check this out. Good point. Good point. So see this stud here. Okay, actually here you can see here. This stud here against the wall, see this? Yes. I screwed it in from the back side as well. It gives it way more strength. So yeah, I love having the drywall on so that I can do that. When I drywall the inside here, I will do the inside first, okay? And I will tie my floaters in and screw them through this way. Same thing, no, I got a hard corner here, so no floater there. But yeah, I'll do the back of this wall, the back side all the way, and tie in my floaters. So I traditionally do the insides of the rooms first and tie in all the floaters. When you drywall, right, do the inside first, tie your floaters in, and then do the outside. So, excuse me. Okay, so, and if you don't have insulation in the wall, for example, you could do like one row of channel. So we'll say like right here at 6 feet in the middle, I could do one row of channel here because this wall here does not have any insulation, but to give it that extra stiffness, I could go one row right down the middle of channel and that would be perfectly fine too. So yeah, man, but that's that, dude. Yep, top and bottom screw, yes. So you see the right top, both sides, and the bottom, both sides, yep. Always screw your track into those studs. It's important to have it all tied in together, right? Excuse me, but yeah, you can, and this slotted track, guys, I got as a mistake, as a delivery mistake, so I'm not using it as slot track, okay? You only use slot track when it goes up to the structure, okay? When it goes up to the Q deck or below an I-beam or something, you don't use slip track. You use the standard track. This is more expensive. Mind you, this is actually a better product. I mean, it helped me make this wall stronger for sure, but I'm not screwing it in through the slots. I'm screwing it in through the steel to steel. Okay, just so you know, okay? That was a delivery mistake. And when you're screwing in your joints up there, guys, always screw down. Never have screws sticking up, okay? Always screw down so that the pointy end of the screw is in the wall, okay? See what I mean? Like up there, okay? They're pointing down, right? You never, darn it, sorry about that, guys. I lost my connection. I keep losing my connection in here. You slammers, yeah, buddy, slammers. You got her, yes. That's another nickname for a floater. Yeah, slammers for sure. Yeah, I know that term too, buddy. Yeah, that's hilarious, man. That's because that's what they are. Yeah, but take advantage of them because they're important. They give your wall structural integrity. It's much stronger when you do it properly. Okay, and if you like think about it too, like if you have it's nice to keep drywall around while you're framing in case you need to do like a drywall behind something and tie it in before you frame it all out, right? Otherwise, what I would have done if there was just steel here, if there was just steel here, and I would have put a clip between this stud and this stud. I would have put a clip so that I could screw this stud into it. You know what I mean? But that's nice to have the drywall. I just got to screw it from the back side, right? Same thing here, screwed it from the back side. So, but yeah, dudes. And then, yeah, there's the box beam for the opening. This is a drywall returned opening. So, yeah, man, I didn't have one side of the opening landed underneath the truss and the other in the foam. So there was nothing I could do a header to. So I put the box beam across the last center before the truss into the wall, right? And there's my structure right there. That'll hold all my drywall up there. So, badass. And then, yeah, header out everything, right? Header. You never move your studs over, okay? You don't, oh, it's just like an inch away or whatever. You don't move them over. You got to header the shit out, and because you got to remember, you got to stagger your drywall joints on both sides of the wall. So if you start sliding over your studs here or there, and you do that more than once in a wall, you're screwed. Your run is completely screwed. So yeah, you just gotta be clever, and use a bracing. So first you build a wall always starting from structure off the wall somewhere, and that's your starting point. And then you come across, okay, and then you can put a brace across, and it could be temporary brace, okay, and you may keep that level, and then you go, you just gotta kind of plan it out. Be clever, use braces, but also plan your track out. Get your layout done on the bottom, get your bottom track smacked on, and then plan your top track to like overhang and interconnect and that's just it, man. Use your pin lasers and just make temporary braces, and you'll be all good. So we're very close to being done here, the framing part anyways. I'd say maybe a couple days of framing still though. But yeah, so I got to get going though. I have to go up and get the baker for the next job. So I'll be on the other job tomorrow. I don't know if I can go live on that one anymore because of the new contractor and stuff. So I'll see what I can do. Either way, I'll take pictures and keep you updated somehow. And I will make sure, I will be in there on the weekends and nights and stuff, so I'll go live to give you an update there. But like I said, the framing there is pretty much done. I just got a little bit of framing to do. And then the tin basher has to get in there and do his thing. And then I got to drywall and tape it. That's it. So right on, dudes. I want you all to be safe out there. Have a great start to the new week tomorrow. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. If you guys like the stream, don't forget to like it. I know it sounds corny, but I forget to ask, and I really hate asking, but my analytics and my reports are saying you've got to start asking because that would help, I guess. So that's where my channel is kind of hurting. I don't get enough likes. So, anyways, take care, guys. I appreciate all you guys for watching and hanging out with me. Chris at constructionkronies.com or tap me at construction cronies. Bye for now, guys. Woo!